Hey, what's happening, YouTube? What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Unvaxxed Sperm Coin, ticker symbol NUBTC, new spelled N-U, and then BTC like Bitcoin. They're saying Unvaxxed Sperm is going to be the new Bitcoin. You guys have probably seen like signs and memes and things like that. I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking, wow, that sounds like a stupid coin. But a stupid coin is what makes something a meme coin, and we've seen how meme coins have the potential to go crazy. I mean, even just a coin with a stupid name. Look at on the Binance Smart Chain, we got a coin like Cumrocket. Remember, Cumrocket was going nuts a while back. On Uniswap and on the Ethereum network, we recently had a Let's Go Brandon coin. When the new COVID variant came out, we had a COVID coin that was up 600% in a day. So this is probably going to be a volatile coin. I don't necessarily see it going anywhere long term, but you might be able to make some money on a pump. This was actually one of the highest gaining coins the other day, which is why you see it down 23% today. If we just look at the 1-day chart, we can zoom out, look at the 7-day chart, zoom out, look at the month chart. And if we look at all time, it looks like this coin kind of came on the scene. It's tough to use this on mobile, but it looks like the coin just came on the scene in like November. So what we're going to be doing in today's video is talking a little bit about the coin, the tokenomics of the coin. We're going to take a look at what the actual project is. I believe their plan is sometime towards the end of 2022 to roll out a dating site for unvaxxed people, kind of a Tinder-like site. This coin is currently ranked number 3,068 on CoinMarketCap. We got 1,567 people on the watch list eyeing this one. You guys can see the low and high price of the day. In a second here, we'll head over and look at their website and maybe social media presence. As far as where this one trades on the Binance Smart Chain. It trades on Pancake Swap. And so I think most people find Trust Wallet and Pancake Swap pretty easy to use. You could also buy this with MetaMask, obviously. If we look at, we can see the 24-hour high and low, market volume. This coin hasn't really been vetted, which is why we kind of see all these different warning signs here. And what we're going to look at here. So the circulating supply is, what's that, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions. So there's 1 trillion coins as a total circulating supply, but that hasn't even necessarily been vetted. Again, I would tread into this one carefully. Don't throw more into this than you're willing to lose. But let's head on over and take a look at the project's website. And we can head over and look at their socials here. They also have a white paper. I thought this is kind of funny. They ask you if you're vaccinated, and if you click yes. Bruh. So we got to click no. Unvaxxed Sperm, where human rights and financial independence intersect. You can buy it directly off this site. I would suggest just heading over to Pancake Swap. The site says, welcome to the resistance. Our bodies belong to us, created perfectly the way we were made, bodily autonomy, and the right to an open future of our inalienable rights. Individual freedoms, critical thinking, and love will prevail over indoctrination, shame, and fear. The long-term effects of these things are not known, and we are here to ensure the future of humanity. The Trojan horse meme to preserve our future. Unvaxxed Sperm is a new Bitcoin. The future of humanity is at stake, and the name of this project, along with its female counterpart, may literally be needed for us to not have an extinction level event. We have created the ultimate Trojan horse, a meme coin that is virally Omega Chad stain spreading, and a discussion of health freedom and helping us to connect with each other and begin preparing everything we need to be safe and self-sufficient outside of the system of corruption and vaccine mandates. We've seen a small sample of what is possible when people rally behind something like AMC or Doge. We have created a token that represents a taboo of forbidden subject that nobody is supposed to talk about, but there will be no way of suppressing us now. Without the right to one's own body and informed consent, we have nothing. We are in this together. And here you can see one of these kind of memes from social media. Unvaxxed Sperm is the next Bitcoin. Underground Railroad of Health Freedom. This is our stand against vaccine mandates and tyrannical threats to our freedom. We are creating decentralized apps to connect people who are not hypnotized by the by the coercive experimental injection agenda for alliances, dating, professional services, homesteading, and self-sufficiency, friends, and anything else that we need outside of their system. So I had known this to be I guess at least the future plans to be kind of a Tinder-like dating site for unvaccinated people. But it looks like they're also going to use this as kind of a job board and maybe even a forum as well. We're building an immutable ledger on the blockchain of critical information, including whistleblower leaks, published research, and banned videos from our heroic frontline physicians, PhD researchers, lawyers, and others who are not beholden to the pharmaceutical narrative. This will provide a safe place to send information and ensure that these extremely important resources will never be silenced or lost. Criminal pharmaceutical cartel-controlled mainstream media and captured government agencies are recording a ledger of your violations of international law and the Nuremberg Code on a blockchain forever. And as the project virally grows to illuminate the truth and spread taboo discussion about health freedom, we will be systematically allocating capital to support the infrastructure resources we need for our alternative sustainable reality so that we can be safe and free outside of their systems, and to fund the aforementioned professionals and their organizations who are standing up to save humanity. Tokenomics, 6.9% liquidity tax, because we believe things should be kept simple. We truly want Unvaxxed Sperm to be the next Bitcoin, and for all our investors to make it and never be faced with the unthinkable scenario of being forced to receive an injection in order to take care of their family. Soon we will be laughing together with some of the outspoken heroes like Joe Rogan, Russell Brand, and reporters on Big Pharma-sponsored mainstream media will be descending into panic. With our ever-growing liquidity, we are building an even more solid foundation fortress, and there is no limit to how we can grow and develop in the future. How to buy. Install MetaMask for Chrome. Open Chrome and visit MetaMask.